Hello, it's Mardax here, and today I'm gonna show you another simple solution to a problem. Because if you wanna create pendrive with the Windows to install Windows on your computer, maybe reinstall on your current computer, doesn't matter. You can use it like old ways via DVD, but most of the people don't even use DVD anymore in the computer. For example, myself. But you can use, of course, pendrive or any USB stored device. So the simple solution is go to this site to download Windows 10, and the link will be in the description. And you have to download this tool, this media creation tool. I'm not gonna do this because I have downloaded it before, and don't worry, it's small, 80 megabytes, so really small. But if you're gonna do this, you just have to, of course, run it. And okay, and I'm gonna show you a simple how this easy is. Of course, we have to wait a little bit here. Okay, we have a license agreement. Always read a license agreement, of course. So accept as the next step. Still, we have to wait again. Here you can upgrade this PC if you wanna. So that was, if I am wrong, this was for Windows 7 users. Whatever. You care only about the create installation media. Go next. Here you can change your language, edition, architecture. So if you're gonna do this, go next. Here you have two options to choose. You can create an ISO file to burn it on the DVD or for use it later, or you can just create a pendrive with the system on it. And of course we are choosing pendrive, and don't forget that the pendrive it has to need at least 8 gigabytes of memory storage. So go next. I don't have any pendrive plugged in the computer, so don't worry. And here should be a list of your pendrives. You have to choose your directly one what you are interested in and press next. With then pressing the next button, installation is gonna start. It's gonna take even more than a few minutes, so you can go grab coffee or something. And after end of it, you're gonna have a message with the finished installation, that everything is ready. So next thing is to just close the setup process, plug pendrive to your computer, restart system, go to the BIOS. I'm not gonna show you how to change it in the BIOS because any user have other UEFI or other version of BIOS, but you have to just go to boot section and choose your pen drive as the first one, device that's gonna run with the running computer when you're gonna start booting. So after that, everything is done. Close the BIOS, refresh computer again, and the installation process of the Windows should start. Then you have, of course, to follow the steps of the installation, but that's easy and you can read everything that there is. So don't worry, it will be easy. And that's it. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope we're gonna see each other later.